Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. If you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending DIY project ideas and react to them. So today we're going to be heading back to TikTok to check out some of these DIYs. Wow, what a cool planter. Can't believe that is made out of cardboard and plaster. Unreal. And then we have this really simple mirror DIY, very cool. I love the pop of gold that they used there. That is gorgeous. And then the next DIY looks like it involves some type of plaster art. Very restoration hardware inspired, beautiful. And then we have a glass cylinder and some wooden sticks, a bowl, and all these items you can find at the dollar store. Oh, so they spray painted it. Oh, nice matte black. Wow, that is pretty. So not much detail on how they made this, but really cool tray. And some type of mirror design here. Another glammed up style DIY. Oh, they have a YouTube channel. Oh wow, these mirrors are absolutely gorgeous. This person definitely has like a very glam aesthetic. So we have another DIY that involves some canvas. Oh wow, oh this is so cool, I love it. It's such a creative idea too, with the picture frames. And then we have some bowls here. Glue them together. Oh, they're probably making a table. Oh, mirror tiles. Oh, this is so glam and girly. Yes, I love it. Very cool. Now I've seen that DIY done before, but I love the fact that she just kind of like put her own glam little touch on it. Very cool. And then we have a DIY vase. This one looks pretty simple to recreate. So basically just grab some Mod Podge, a vase, and some glitter. This is reminding me of like a snow globe or something. Like it's just, that's the first thought that popped in my head. That's pretty though, really nice. Really iridescent, I really like the color. And such a simple project to do. So it looks like we have someone doing their own artwork here. It seems like a nice project you can do like if you're really bored. This, wow, I really like the way she did this, so that's pretty. Now this is a cool project to do with your kids. Do like their initials and like these funky colors, that would be cute. And they would have so much fun doing it too. So we have another DIY with picture frames. Wow. So they basically made like, you can put this anywhere. You can put this in your home. You can do a door wreath. Really cool idea. So here we go again with these plastic bowls. They spray painted them black. Looks like they're making like the pedestal bowl. Oh, gold spike wrap. Where do you get this from, Michaels? This is so pretty. Oh, this is definitely my vibe right here. Oh, I'm loving this. I love the edginess. Oh, so cool. Thrift flip. Nice vase. Two gold hoops and some rope. I don't know what they're making, but this looks really pretty. Oh my gosh, this is such a gorgeous planter. Oh, I love it. That is definitely aesthetically pleasing, just so gorgeous. And then we got some dollar store tile here. They're painting it gold. Oh my gosh, what a cool idea. Oh, I love it. So simple to recreate too, very cool. Then we got a picture frame here, some type of string lighting, fairy lights. I like when I watch the DIYs and I don't know what they're gonna make until the end. It's like, oh, like, wow. Well, if it's a good one. It looks like she might be making like a table tray. Look at those nails. Oh, she's adding in some pearls. I feel like I'm gonna like this one. Like it has the making of a good project that I would admire. Are you kidding me? We didn't even get to see the end result. I'm pretty sure she was making some type of like lighted table tray though. Like that's what it just looked like. And this looks like it's some type of lantern style DIY. Oh, bronze colors. That's interesting because usually when we see these, they're in gold. So it's kind of nice to see a different color. I have to wonder though, how long would the bronze last? Oh, she's adding in pearls. I feel like bronze tends to rust faster though. Is that just me? Oh, it's a vase. Oh, wow. I thought for sure it was going to be a lantern. That's cute, though. I don't like it with the little ball green thing, but the flowers, it was cute. Alright, you guys, so if you want to see more DIY project ideas and reactions, you can check out this video next.